countersunk bolt head with square neck or coach bolt type B. So both are same. This is the diagram. Okay, so diameter of the bolt equal to 30 mm, and this is the from here to here is the 1.1 into D, and total height is equal to 2.4. Head height equal to 2.4 into D. So D equal to 30. D value substitute in 2.4 into D. I got 72, and angle is 120 degrees. This is the constant. See the procedure how to draw the counter bolt head with square neck. Draw one center axis. After that, take draw the 72 mm line. Take 36 and 36. Total 72. 36 mm above the center axis, and again take 36 mm below center axis. Okay, so this is the width of the head, 3 mm. 3 mm. Okay, the width of this head equal to 3 mm, and draw like this. Okay, so this is the total height, 72 mm. Clear? 2.4 into 30 equals 72. Take protractor and measure the 120 degrees like this. So this is the position of protractor. See here, measure 60 degrees from 90. Okay, so that is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 60. Okay, so again take 60 below. Okay, so 10 20 30 40 50 60, then 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60 is the 120. Okay, and draw like this. This line is passing through the see here, the top corner. You should draw a line passing through the top corner like this. Top corner like this, and again draw this 60 degrees line passing through bottom corner like this. See here, from here to here is so compulsory a line touch అవుతూ draw చేయాలి. Means you should draw inclined line, so passing through the top and bottom corner. Okay, so this is the 2.4 into D, height of head. This is the height of head is 2.4 into D. 2.4 into D. D equal to 30. Total height is 72. Take 36 mm from the center axis, center line at the bottom and top. So this is the 120 degrees, representation of 120. Okay, take diameter D dimension. Okay, so 30 mm. Please take 15 mm above the center line and below the center line. 15 plus 15 equal to 30. Draw horizontal line. There is no given the length of this bolt. Okay, so draw two horizontal lines like this. After completion of this one, you need to draw this square portion, but see the procedure how to draw the square portion. Okay, so take 36 mm and draw circle. 36 mm radius, and draw circle like this. draw the center axis of that circle. After completion of that one, you need to draw another circle. This circle diameter is 30 mm. The circle diameter is 30 mm. So that take radius 15 mm and draw the circle like this. So this is the 30 mm diameter circle. After that, measure 45 degrees like this, 45 degrees and 45 degree. This is the position of protractor. Then take 45 and 45 both sides and draw a line like this and draw the lines like this. So draw 45 degrees line like this. Okay, so after completion of this one, draw square box like this. Yes, this is the square. Okay, so please project this square height. Okay, so please take from, so this point to this point is 33 mm. Okay, from starting line of the head to the, so that point is 33. Draw one vertical line at 33 mm, at 33 mm like this. Okay, so draw the curved portion, draw the curved portion like this. So draw the curved portion like this. Okay, so after completion of that, so please project the square portion like this. This is the square height from this point to that point. సో అది హైట్ మన స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా, స్క్వేర్ని ప్రొజెక్షన్ చేసుకుంటే ఆ లైన్ వస్తుందండి. జస్ట్ ప్రొజెక్ట్ ది స్క్వేర్ టాప్ కార్నర్ అండ్ బాటమ్ కార్నర్. Okay, then after completion of this portion, draw the diameter D portion. you should represent the all dimensions. Okay, see, this is the complete diagram of counter sunk bolt head with square neck.